अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम इंग्लिश फर्स्ट ईयर चैप्टर नंबर 4 की एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट आंसर, जिसमें फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है व्हाट वाज द वुमन कैरिंग। ऑप्शन ए अ रॉड, ऑप्शन बी अ बैग, ऑप्शन सी अ हैमर, ऑप्शन डी अ लार्ज पर्स। ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, अ लार्ज पर्स। सेकंड है फ्रॉम वेयर वाज शी कमिंग। ऑप्शन ए फैक्ट्री, ऑप्शन बी hotel beauty shop, option C office, option D college. Option B is the correct option, hotel beauty shop. What had happened to her? Option A a boy made a request for help. Option B a boy tried to help her. Option C a boy begged $10. Option D a boy tried to snatch her purse. Option D is the correct option, a boy tried to snatch her purse. The boy washed his face on the direction of option A the police officer, option B his face, option C the woman, option D his uncle. Option C is the correct option, the woman. The boy was in his option A teens, option B 20s, option C 40s, option D 30s. Option A is the correct option, teens. What was the full name of the woman? Option A Leola, option B Betts, option C Washington Jones, option D Leola Betts Washington Jones. Option D is the correct option, Leola Betts Washington Jones. The boy was dragged into a option A living room, option B kitchenette furnished room, option C hall, option D dining room. Option B is the correct option, kitchenette furnished room. What did she suggest to the boy to look presentable? Option A to wash his face, option B to dress properly, option C to polish the shoes, option D to comb his hair. Option D is correct option, to comb his hair. The woman cooked the food and asked the boy. Option A serve, option B to help, option C to set the table, option D to eat. Option D is the correct option, to eat. What did the boy want to say to the woman? Option A thank you ma'am, option B thankful to you, option C grateful to you, option D something other than thank you ma'am. Option D is the correct option, something other than thank you ma'am. Question number 2 है true false. First है a large woman was carrying a large purse containing a hammer and nails. That is false. The boy offered his help to carry the purse. False. The woman firmly gripped the boy by his shirt front. True. The woman dragged the boy to her home. True. She asked the boy to bring some food from the store. False. The boy was punished by the other members of the house. False. The boy stole the pocketbook to buy some food. False. The boy was afraid of going to jail. True. The boy did not trust the woman not to trust him. True. The woman advised the boy not to make the mistake of latching onto her pocketbook. True. Question number 3 है answer the following questions. First question है what was the time when the boy tried to snatch the purse of the woman? इसका आंसर है it was about 11 o'clock at night. Question number 2 है what happened to the boy when he tried to snatch the purse? इसका आंसर है the boy gave the purse a tug. Its strap broke. The boy lost his balance. His leg flew up. Question number 3 है what was the reaction of the woman? इसका आंसर है she simply turned round and kicked the boy. Then she picked him up by the front of his shirt and dragged him behind her. Question number 4 है what was the conduct of the people when they saw the incident? इसका आंसर है 2 or 3 people passed that way. They stopped and turned to look at the lady and the boy. A few stood watching them. Question number 5 है how did the boy look physically? इसका आंसर है the boy looked to be 14 or 15 years old. He was thin and weak. He was wearing tennis shoes and blue jeans. Question 6 है what was the condition of the boy when the woman gave him a few drugs? इसका आंसर है he was totally helpless. he left himself on the mercy of the woman. He only requested her to free him. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है व्हाई डिड द वुमन आस्क द बॉय टू वॉश हिज फेस. इसका आंसर है द फेस ऑफ द बॉय वाज डर्टी. शी आस्क्ड हिम टू वॉश इट सो दैट ही माइट लुक गुड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है व्हाई डिडंट द बॉय रन फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ द वुमन. इसका आंसर है द बॉय हैड कम टू नो दैट द लेडी वाज वेरी काइंड. ही वाज श्योर दैट she would not send him to jail, so he did not try to run away from the house of the woman. Why did not the woman watch the boy while preparing a dish? इसका आंसर है she did not watch the boy because she was sure that he would not try to run away. She wanted to show him that she trusted him. Next है what was the nature of the woman's job? इसका आंसर है she worked in a hotel beauty shop. She told him that all kinds of women came there. Her duty was to serve them. Question number 4 है write the answer to the following questions in 100 to 150 words. First question है write the incident in your own words. इसका आंसर है a boy tried to snatch a lady's purse. She caught him and brought him to her house. There she treated him kindly. She advised him to be a good boy. Then she let him go. Question number 2 है what was the effect of the behavior of the woman on the boy? इसका आंसर है her kind behavior impressed the boy. She asked him to behave well. In future, the boy decided to act upon her advice. Next question है why did she treat the boy nicely in her home after punishing him in the street? इसका आंसर है she punished him for his crime. Then she treated him kindly to make him a good boy. Question number 5 है use the correct form of the verb in each sentence. First statement है she carried the purse slung across her shoulder. Carry की जगह carried आ जाएगा. The boy fell on his back on the sidewalk. Fall की जगह fell आ जाएगा. Some people turned to look. Turn की जगह turned आ जाएगा. She dragged the boy inside down a hall. Drag की जगह dragged आ जाएगा. Mrs. Jones get up and went behind the screen. Get की जगह got आ जाएगा. The boy take care to sit on the far side of the room. Take की जगह took आ जाएगा. She make the cocoa and set the table. Make की जगह made आ जाएगा. A hotel beauty shop stay open late. Stay की जगह stayed आ जाएगा. She lead him down the hall to the front door. Lead की जगह led आ जाएगा. The boy want to say something. Want की जगह wanted आ जाएगा. Question 6 है punctuate the following lines. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ लाइंस दे दी गई हैं, इनकी पंक्चुएशन करके आपको दे दी गई है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है यूज द फॉलोइंग प्रपोजिशंस इन योर ओन सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट वर्ड है इन. इसका सेंटेंस है ही इज इन ट्रबल दीज डेज. नेक्स्ट है अक्रॉस. इसका सेंटेंस है आई सॉ हिम अक्रॉस द रोड. नेक्स्ट है ऑफ. इसका सेंटेंस है दे सेट ऑफ ऑन अ जर्नी. अप. He got up early in the morning. Round. They built a wall around their house. तो आज की वीडियो हमारी यहीं ख़त्म होती है. आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.